Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. Yes, we're back at the table. It's exciting, got great stuff going on. This product should be able to help with that. It's basically one of those phone clamps with like a long flexible arm on it. I'm going to use it to maybe try to make my videos a lot better. We'll find out in the next video. But I've got it right here. It's just a couple bucks. I'll pop a link to it in the description if you want to get your own. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here is the package. It comes in pretty standard eBay packaging. It is the bubble wrap type, which we are used to. Good for protecting the product. We're going to use this karambit knife that I reviewed in another video to open this thing up. Alright, we'll just tear the rest of it open. Alright, so here's the product. It does come in an extra layer of plastic. Good for protection as well. It is very loud plastic. I would advise not opening this thing in the middle of the night, just in case you are planning on it. It is extremely loud, and you will wake everybody up. Interesting. Okay, so we get the clamp that clearly clamps onto your phone. It's a four points of contact type of clamp. And it will fit quite a large phone. I'm not going to have any problems with it whatsoever because I have the S10 Plus. This will fit a very large phone. Some phones almost even like up and down. Alright, and then we've got another layer of plastic. They really went all out on this packaging. Wow. Okay. Now it should be a good, decent length. I could tell you right off the bat, this is very stiff. But that is exactly what you want. You want stiff when it comes to something like this, because when you put it in a position, it's not moving. I believe mounting this thing is simple enough. So basically to mount this, you put this on over there, you pop the little ball joint in there, and then you screw it tight. It gives it kind of a friction fit. Yeah, you definitely want to be careful because I almost cross-threaded it the first time. It's tedious to try to get it on there straight. Yeah, well, I guess that's what you get when you have a lot of plastic parts. The wire on here is covered in quite a nice little material. Real soft on the hands, so you don't have to worry about hurting yourself. And on this end is where you have your clamp to clamp down on anything you want. This thing can be used for all sorts of different purposes. For mounting, you can almost use it as a tripod kind of thing and just mount wherever you want. You could also use this ball joint to mount other things onto it, such as like a GoPro or anything like that, where it does have a ball joint mount. I would say it's about 2 feet total. Yeah, it looks about right. Very flexible, very sturdy at the same time. A lot of plastic, so it's worrying. Did it already break? No, it did not. This wire should be going through this other end. Okay, with a little bit of tinkering, I got it. See, it's back flush on that side. So it's a little concerning to use. It's clearly not as well made as you would expect a higher end one to be. I'm gonna grab my other phone and clip this thing on and see how it looks, see how sturdy it is, and if it actually holds the phone up and everything. So let's go do that. We got the phone mount here. We're gonna clip it onto the end of the table as such. Not bad. Okay, so I'll try to bend this to a good viewing angle for me, I guess. And phone easily fits. It's holding it up. This is not a light phone. It's not the heaviest, but it's not a light phone. Alright, so go ahead and change the viewing angle. Right there, guys. I can sit here and watch a show, to be honest. And you got the clip on there, and it's holding it. And you can pretty much get whatever orientation you want out of this thing. Here, let's go ahead and see how this looks. table is less sturdy than this thing is. Crazy. Alright.
Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of OverTheTable.
Right here, I can watch this thing, and in perspective, from this kind of distance, it kind of looks like, you know, it could be like a TV. If you don't have a TV and you only have your phone, and you get this clamp for a couple bucks, you can sit back here and you could watch stuff. I mean, you could clip it onto your bed frame if you want to like binge watch Netflix or YouTube or whatever, and you don't feel like holding your phone, because that can get annoying. Trust me, I do it all the time. Let's see if I can turn this around to face you guys.
Really cool. I'll pop a link to it in the description if you want to get.
I mean, it's that easy. It's not touching the table. Clamp's still clamped on there pretty nicely. For a couple bucks, I'm impressed. As you can see, it's playing the last video I uploaded. It's Xylo. It's pretty insane video. But essentially, the reason I got this product is because I'm going to be clamping this thing above me, so that way I could have a camera recording from overhead and then you guys in front of me, and then I'm going to get another an editing software, and I'm going to edit it all together, so that way I don't have to get up and switch things around. I just have above me shot, in front of me, edit the layers together, and everything will go smoothly. So that's what I've got going on. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button right down here. If you want to check out the last video I did, it's over there. And if you want to check out the random reviews playlist, it's over there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.